Hi, Kay here from Eco Seed to Skin by Saarinen Organics, and today I'm talking about all things eczema. Why is eczema so itchy? Why is it so red, and why does it swell up? So a few little basics of what is eczema. So eczema is actually a form of dermatitis. So there's many types of eczema out there. And it's really important to find out what type of eczema you do have and what's the cause of it, the cause of the eczema. And there are many causes. There are a few main ones like DNA, so hereditary, the outside exposure to the environment, so it could be dishwashing powder, that sort of thing, quite common. And then there is also food allergies, and there's also, which is quite interesting, there's been a lot of research lately about an autoimmune disease linked with eczema. No matter what the cause is, the same thing happens inside the body, and that is detected by the body. It sends out white blood cells, and these white blood cells are actually delivered by a histamine, and the histamine is what causes the itchiness, the redness, and the swelling. Okay, the white blood cells are there to gobble up the intruder, and unfortunately it can be gobbling up your skin, like the fats in your skin, the protein in the skin. And your skin's actually got 3 layers. So it's got the very top is the epidermis, the middle layer is the dermis, and the bottom layer is the hypodermis. So the epidermis is the protector coat, it's what you see here. It's quite rough, it's quite robust, it's stopping all those infections and the viruses coming into the body, the bacteria is coming into the body. It's protecting that dermis, and the dermis is like the engine room of your skin. It's where everything's happening. But it needs that protection. If that protection breaks down, then the dermis is left exposed, and that's when all sorts of problems happen. And so these white blood cells are breaking down the fats, and that's what causes the dryness and the flakiness of the skin. So we really want to protect that epidermis layer, and that's what we can do at home in our own kitchen. So with loads of beautiful ingredients. So I've got lots of tips and a couple of DIY treatments too that are coming up shortly.